everyone, in this video I will show how to change app icon easiest way. So first of all, I have created a folder and I set this folder name icon, and inside it I have taken an image. I will use this image as the app icon. Okay, then go to the Android Studio, create a new project. So now I set this project name app icon. Go to the finish and wait for build grading. Now cut this code. Okay, go to the XML file and set linear layout. Okay, now set orientation vertical, and now I take a text view with match parent, height, wrap content, and text is hello, this is working. Okay, text size 40 sp, text style italic. Okay, now run this app. Oh, install. Okay, now we change the app icon. So go to the app, click mouse right button, new, and go to image asset. Here we change app icon. Okay, so click here, cancel. Here we paste image path. Okay, okay, go to the icon folder and copy the image path. Ctrl C, copy, and go app, click mouse right button, app, click mouse right button, image asset, and click here and paste the image path. Okay, click icon and select image. Okay, now okay, perfect, and then click next button and finish button. Run this app and see the icon is changed.